Hello, everyone. I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and welcome to What Makes This Design Great. This is our first episode here at KVIZ 2025, and I'm with Anthony of TMG, Thor Marketing Group.
Yes.
And we are going to talk about the amazing products that you have here. I'm just learning about them. So I'm happy to hear more. Show everybody what makes this design great. Do you have a collaboration with Gordon Ramsay on these? So let's talk about that a bit.
You got it. Well, welcome. Thor is the little brand that can, if you will. We're celebrating 10 years in the market. So for us, that's a big deal. And in celebration of that 10th year, we've actually collaborated with Gordon Ramsay. So we were lucky enough to have him come to us or us collaborate with them on building a line that was basically Thor product, but with a Gordon Ramsay flavor to it, if you will, no pun intended. So Gordon basically took the line and said, add a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and then you have what you have today. And so this is our introduction into the design-friendly product, if you will. The core of who Thor is always been commercial grade pro products, right? So we've always been that, and we've always brought it to market at an affordable price. What Gordon Ramsay wanted to do was be able to bring that same mantra, which is affordable luxury, to the mass premium. So he didn't want it to go to just the elites, if you will. That's owned by other brands, but ultimately he wanted the everyday customer to be able to get into Gordon Ramsay Pro product. So here you have Gordon Ramsay, and it's the pretty stuff.
It's very pretty. I mean, it was very eye-catching. The matte black with the gold handles, I think it's amazing.
Yeah, so you'll be able to get it in 5 different handle finishes. So we'll have matte black, we'll also have stainless steel, and then later this year we'll introduce the matte white. But ultimately, the 5 different finishes that you can get with the handle kits are going to be bronze, rose gold, gunmetal blue, which is his signature color that he specifically chose, and then we've got stainless and black stainless as well.
Awesome. I want to talk a little bit more about the range. Now let's talk about this amazing range and how beautiful it is and some of the features on it and what makes it so great.
Okay. So the lineup you're going to be able to get from the Gordon Ramsay side is going to be 30, 36, and 48-inch platforms from ranges to hoods. They'll have a 30 and a 36-inch French door refrigerator available and a 24-inch dishwasher. So you'll be able to complete an entire kitchen package with the Gordon Ramsay line. On the ranges, we're going to actually have a 20,000 BTU burner on the center. On the 36-inch range, you'll also get a 15,000 outer ring and an 650 BTU simmer burner. We'll have the air fry feature along with a meat probe on the 36-inch range, and then 2 telescopic lighting racks.
Gotta love the meat crow. That's a great feature.
Yeah, well, it's an underrated feature because most people don't think they need it, but when you have it and you use it, you realize how much it does for you, right?
The feature that you never knew you needed, right?
Correct. Yes, definitely.
Absolutely.
Okay. Another feature that you'll get also on the Gordon Ramsay line on the 30 and 36-inch ranges is the tilt control panel. So having the ability to have a tilt control panel means you don't have to bend down to actually look at the control board. You'll actually be able to lift it with just a touch of a finger, and then you're looking down straight at it.
That's amazing. Well, thank you for taking the opportunity here to talk with me and show everybody your amazing appliances. Until then, stay tuned for the next episode.